Miss Moneyworks here. So just because the markets are going crazy doesn't mean that you have to go crazy with it. Rich people don't go crazy when the market's going up and down. That's because they have insurance on their money. They have stop losses on their money. So if it's good enough for rich people, it should be good enough for us. So what I recommend is treat your money like you're going bowling. So when you're going bowling and you don't want to roll your ball into the gutter, you put up bumpers so that you can roll strikes as much as you want. You can win, and you know that it will never go in the gutter. Well, the same thing can be said about your money. Imagine if you can just gain, and not have any losses because you have a floor or you have a buffer, which is considered downside protection. So with a floor, those are usually in something called an IUL or an Index Universal Life, where your money is shadowing an index. It's mirroring what an index does. So when the index is going up, your money's going up. But when the index goes down, you have a floor where your money, it stays the same, but your cash value is still credited as much as the floor. That floor, depending on the company, could be a 0% floor where you just don't have a gain in a down market. Or it could be a 0.75 floor where you still have a 0.75 gain in a down market, but it's better than negative, which means you're actually losing money. And then as far as a buffer, that could be like in a mutual fund or annuity. And the way that works is if the market is going down, like say 18%, negative 18%, if you have a 20% buffer, well, you didn't lose any money. And actually with the stock markets over 100-year history, they've only had losses over 20% 5 times. So if you have that 20% buffer, most of the time you won't be losing any money. So that's just very important to make sure that you have downside protection on your money so that you can't lose. And I also have some advice for you people that are on the verge of retirement. If you're contributing to your employer retirement like a 401k or 403b or 457 or thrift savings plan, you want to preserve that principle. You worked for 30, 40 years and you can't take the market rolling into the gutter right before you retire. You won't have time to recover. When you were in your 30s and 40s and you decided to put most of your money in the market, well, guess what? If the market went down in your 30s and 40s, you still had time to recover. But like I said, if you're in your late 50s or 60s, you don't have as much time to rebound. So if you're at least 59 and a half, most people don't know this, but you can start peeling off some of the money in your retirement account and you can put it aside away from your employer and preserve that principal and continue to grow your money. So have you experienced losses in your account? If so, comment below. I would love to hear about it. And of course, reach out to me because I can actually help you gain, and put those losses behind you. But definitely comment below and let me know if you've ever lost any money in the market. And guess what? We need to get together so I can help you put a buffer, put downside protection on your money. So definitely reach out to me, Tanisha@wealthwave.com. And if you like this video, like it and share it with your family and friends so that they can know more too, because you know this type of information is just not out there for the mainstream. These are things that the wealthy teach their family. And also, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. And I look forward to hearing from you.